फॉर्च्यूनर गाड़ी बनाने का पहला स्टेप, सर्च ऑनर गाड़ी बनाने का पहला स्टेप, जो कि इंजीनियर पहले इसका एक कंप्यूटर में नक्शा बना
feels incredibly premium.
And look at the space in the back. It's perfect for the kids.
The new infotainment system looks incredible.
Yes, and the leather seats are much softer than the previous model.
The torque output on this model is significantly improved, as you can see here.
Indeed. And the ground clearance appears ideal for the terrain we encounter.
If this video is good, then subscribe.
If you like this video, then subscribe.